Hello, my friends, and welcome back. I'm coming on to do a layout for Color Rush Studios. I am on their design team, and I'm using this November 2024 kit. Now, the main kit was, it's this exclusive kit, which is freaking gorgeous with these pinks and minty colors, and there's nutcrackers, and it's so cute. This is the add-on kit, and we have goodies here from Boho Christmas from Simple Stories, and I had a photo already printed, and when I saw this, I'm like, you know what? This is perfect. This is a much older photo. This is my son, who is now 28, and my daughter, who is now 26, and so clearly the photo's not the newest photo in the world. It is perfect to go with this kind of boho, slightly more vintage classic Christmas vibe. Now, I do have one of these, what are they called? Are they called page kits? Where's my packaging, guys? I have the whole thing from these, they're called page pieces, simple pages. So I have all of this, and I was like, you know what? Let me challenge myself to using all of them on a layout. I thought that would be super fun. Okay, then I started looking through these papers, and these three popped right out to me. So I'm like, and I have this thing, like, if I see something, I don't like to hem and haw, and I don't like to save things for the perfect layout and all that kind of thing, because you guys, if we don't use it when we want to enjoy it, then you get another collection, and that becomes your perfect one, and blah, 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 right? Okay. So let's see. My son is kind of facing that way. Santa and Shay are facing forward. So that's great. And I have it matted on just a piece of scrap cardstock. Now, what I was thinking, I like that white. Okay, do I want the white on the top? Yes. Yes? No, yes. Or do I want it like this? Oh, that's dramatic too, but I do like the fa-la-la bit. Okay. What I was thinking is just doing a nice classic tear. All right, if it's on the top, let's cut that to about because that makes sense. All right, I have them just stacked together right now, guys. And let's go ahead and give them a slice stacked together. All will be fine. Because I want to go ahead and give it a tear with this being the wider portion over here. So you do it towards you, then you can get like the stuffy bits facing you. And the reason why I'm tearing them simultaneously, it's because I wanted them to be the same size. Okay, I need to give it just a little bit more of a tear here, so it's more of diagonal. And then I can go just like that, spread it right apart, and it's cute. Now we already have ourselves a show. It's dinner and a show. Okay, here's all of these pieces that I was like, yeah, let's just see if we can use them all, and I thought that would be super fun. So we have Ho Ho Ho, which is, we could even do that there in Fa La La Land. I think so. So we'll pop that up, easy to do. And then, and I think we should do this in like smallest to largest. Oh, that's hilarious. Let's see Santa. We have Santa sitting here. We have Oh What Fun. We can have lots of these pieces, but I also have pieces that I want to map my photo with. I'm just seeing. I'm making some decisions here. I do like that vibe though. I don't know yet because I'm going to pop that up. It might not be necessary. Okay. I think I better get these pieces down. I should map my photo. Look at this. What if Giant Santa Head was with Ho Ho Ho? I think that might be cute. And then we can bring this down with these cute little humans, and we can stack these pieces up. We'll have this gorgeous poinsettia stuff coming down here. That would totally work. Might have a little holly jolly. We can link that right there. So yes, and then I can add these little bits. All right, I'm gonna do that. Then what I wanna look at, so I also have some of these puffy bits, and I've got this golden color. I think that would be perfect. We can have that to bring a little color here. And then let's see. Ooh, the red is a lovely color match. We can have a star there. And then, ooh, wow, that's stunning. So I'm going to have a little visual triangle, it looks like, with my pieces. So I have it here, here. I want to incorporate something here. I'm working through it, my friends. I'm working through it. So here, here. Oh my gosh, look at that there. I wonder if I can switch it out so I can have a big red piece there and then this down here. Okay, let me get all these pieces on and I'll meet you right back here. This is just going to come together in 2 seconds because, you know, the little kits are made to just kind of take care of it for you, and it is. All right, so I have a much better grasp of what's going on now that everything here is stuck down. I went ahead and did a little benderoo on these pieces. And let's see, that's bent up. I like this. Now, I need to use this. I think it is so darn cute. So we're going to cut that out and put it right here. One of those things, like it just kept kind of winking at me. So that gets to get tucked right there. It's going to be a nice, almost tone on tone, which I love that idea. Now, I have a nice bit of poinsettia here. Is there a way to get some here? I don't think there's room. Ooh, I would like that, but Santa's head's a little bit big. But what I can do is maybe see if, ooh, I wonder if this is the right size. Okay, I can go ahead and pop that up right there, and that's going to give me just enough, like, little bit of shadow and dimension that I shall enjoy. I shall enjoy. Okay, we go like that. I'm going to give it just a little bit of character by bending up the leaves a little bit because, y'all, the leaves where I am, they're all like bent everywhere and it's a little bit more interesting. So cute. Okay, love that. Gave me a little something extra there, which I was wanting. This will go here. A few poinsettia pieces, guys. This might be done the moment we get these little bits on, but I do know with the little tiny bits, what I'm going to want to do is hit them with just a little bit of glaze from my stash so it's almost like they're enamel dots. All right, my friends, I was able to use up all the little pieces. Fun little challenge. They are gone, and there's something. Why is it so satisfying to use up a package? I don't know, but the 22 pieces are on there. I also did add this snow globe as well as these poofy little stars. I think they're super cute. So that is what we have. I do have drying glaze on these hearts and the hearts and stars here and the heart and stars here. Adding just enough of a little something that it's kind of vibing like an enamel dot. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put links down below where you guys can subscribe to these kits and come over to the Facebook group, show us what you are doing with them, all that kind of thing. Let's see, I think linked down below will be an affiliate link, which helps to support my channel, which is fab. Is there anything else? Anything else? I don't think so. I will have a few still shots to follow, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.